Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25-inch Android screen for a Lexus NX200 that it came with a small screen. As you can see, that was the factory screen. This is just a test, so everything is open. That's our 10.25-inch screen. And the car didn't come with any navigation, just backup camera. So basically you can control the unit with the knob, so by going left and right you can scroll left and right on the function of our aftermarket mode. That's the nav, that's multimedia, that's phone. The Android part is right here. These are all the apps. You can again scroll left and right to the apps. It's super fast unit, and also you can go back to the factory feature by clicking on Lexus. It goes back to the factory mode without changing any features in the car. So let's say I go to reverse. Still the backup camera works, and by touching the screen it goes to the aftermarket mode. It reads some OBD information, that's air conditioning. Also you can switch it to trip computer of the car. If you're interested to get this type of 10.25-inch Android screens for your Lexus, we do have them for Lexus IS and also the Lexus NX. You can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call and we can install them for you. And just give us a call, 905-604-4294, or buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.